Clicked on this video, you have come to see why it is the case that the axis of symmetry of a parabola is negative b divided by 2a. Well, let's venture on to Desmos here. So we got a parabola right here. We got our axis of symmetry that goes down the middle, and we got a strange folder. Let's see what's inside there. Whoa! Close that! Close that! Nobody wants to see that foul beast on a YouTube video. Ugh, disgusting. Okay, so there's a few key observations you can make here. For one, you can see that your axis of symmetry is just halfway between your two x-intercepts here. So maybe if you can solve for those, we can figure out what that is, right? So let's solve for those. Like that, right? And now there's another observation we can make to where our axis of symmetry does not change at all if we change our c value, because all that does is just shifts our parabola up and down and not to the left or right. So you know what? Out of pure laziness, we're just going to make that to be 0. So let's just take that out and solve for x. So first of all, we're going to factor an x out to get bada boom, bada bang, to be that, right? And now we can just solve for x. So right there, right? And obviously we have a 0, x equals 0, and we have a 0 at let's see, ax plus b equals 0, right? So x must be negative b divided by a. Nope, yeah, divided by a. That's a 0 right there, right? So we have our two zeros right here, right? X equals 0, because if you put 0 in, then this function, this statement is true. And if you put negative b divided by a into this part right here, this just becomes 0. So this statement is also true, right? So you can say, if you want to figure out what's halfway between these two numbers, you can just take the arithmetic mean, right? So say, since we're adding two things, it'll be dividing by 2, and I'll say 0 plus negative b divided by a, right? So this is just negative b divided by a, and half of that is just negative b divided by 2a. Wow, that's it right there, folks. And also, as you can see, that's what's generating this line with the axis of symmetry thingamabobber right there. Well, okay, so that's about the end of the video. Now, you know you want to subscribe, just do it. Just subscribe, yeah. You know you want to do that. Yeah, you should just do that. And yeah, just subscribe. Gotta make some money off of monetizing my videos. Just do it.